and welcome to Magic Tricks for Kids. My name is Miss Stacy, and today I have a wonderful assistant. Tell them your name.
Keegan.
Keegan. Hello, Keegan. So happy to have you to help me out with my trick. Well, today I am going to perform a magic trick for you. And not only that, I will teach you how to make the magic happen. Well, magicians like to make things disappear. And today I am going to make something disappear. What is this?
A pencil.
A pencil, so I'm going to make this pencil disappear. Will you examine it just to see that it's real? Yep. Not a fake pencil. You got it, Keegan.
Real.
It's real. Thank you. Well, so the way we're going to make this disappear, watch, and you will see. I'm going to place this handkerchief over my pencil. Now, in order to make this pencil disappear, I need some magical words. And since we're in a library, well, I was just thinking that some magical words today could be, I love reading. Yeah. Now, since I love reading, do you love reading? Yeah, so you can say it with me whenever I count to 3, and I will try and see if I can make this pencil disappear. You know, I'm a librarian, not a magician, but I can read a book and learn how to make magic happen. That's what I did. On the count of 3, though, I need you in the audience to help Keegan and I out. Remember, you will say, I love reading on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, wait a minute. Keegan, make sure the pencil's still there. There you go. It's still there. That was a strong one. I didn't know you were so strong, Keegan. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I love
Reading! Wait a minute. What just happened? Wait a minute. There was a pencil under there. Where did the pencil go? Wow, it worked. I made the magic happen. You see, the pencil, it did. It disappeared. Is it behind your ear? No, it's not behind my ear. Are you ready to see how I made the magic happen? All right, I'll now teach it to you. So we'll go in reverse, and I'll show you how it all happened. I'm glad it worked out beautifully. Let me return my pencil back to myself. Grab it. Okay, so we have our pencil, and we want to make it disappear. I simply lifted the handkerchief and placed the pencil under there. I definitely did. But then I replaced the pencil with my finger. So now my finger is in the same place as the pencil. Okay? And that's whenever I said, hey, Keegan, make sure that the pencil's there. Will you make sure it's still there? Yep, it's still there, but it's not the pencil. It appears to be the pencil, but it's my finger. Whenever I came back this way, I dropped the pencil and just let it go underneath the table, which then you didn't see that part. And then we counted to 3 and said, I love reading, so we can do it again. 1, 2, 3. I love reading. And of course, the pencil's gone, because when I dropped it, it became then under the table, showing the pencil. Yep, he just retrieved it from underneath the table. You can do that too. I know you can. Well, Keegan, thanks for helping me out, showing them that I had a pencil, but instead, really, it was a what?
finger.
It was a finger under the handkerchief. Now you know. Keegan, how else can they learn other magic tricks?
Books.
Books, 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 books. Do they have to go buy books? What can they do?
Go to the library.
Library! Check them out for free, and I hope to see you there. So come, yes, and check out magic books at the library and other books too that you find of interest. We hope to see you there. Bye-bye.